Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the Salange HY300 Smart Projector with Android 11.0. This mini portable projector is an absolute game changer when it comes to home entertainment. With its 5G Wi-Fi capability, you can seamlessly stream your favorite movies and videos in stunning 720p resolution, and it even supports 1080p and 4K decoding for a truly immersive viewing experience. But that's not all. This smart projector runs on Android 11.0, giving you access to a world of entertainment right at your fingertips. From streaming services like Netflix and Disney Plus to gaming and more, the possibilities are endless. The Salange HY300 is designed for convenience and versatility. With wireless dual-band connectivity, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone or tablet to mirror your screen and share content with friends and family. And with automatic correction, you'll always get a perfectly aligned image, no matter where you set it up. But what truly sets this projector apart is its incredible low noise operation. Thanks to advanced noise reduction technology and a dual cooling fan system, you can enjoy your favorite films and shows without any distractions. Plus, the Salange HY300 offers a flexible 180 degrees projection angle, so you can easily adjust the viewing angle to suit your preferences. And with its compact and portable design, you can take your movie nights outdoors and enjoy a cinematic experience under the stars. So, if you're ready to take your home entertainment to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Salange HY300 Smart Projector. Simply click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible piece of tech. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.